like the concept essentially is, and you were probably taught the same thing too. You were supposed to go to school and then get a good job, right, Ryan? Like, was
Oh
that
yeah, I bought that hook, line, and sinker.
exactly right? So we were supposed to go to school. So as a Jamaican American, my family's Jamaican. I was raised in the United States. I was supposed to go to school, get good grades, go to college, get a good job. Like that's it. You take care of your family. And so I think this question is talking about how do you raise that awareness for folks to say, oh, I can also be a startup founder, and that's going to take years, in a lot of cases deprogramming. And a lot of folks are familiar with the saying of like you can't be what you can't see, and so that's why we need a lot of these folks to be able to get these wins out so that other people can see that they can win. But I think the other part of this that we need to make sure to cover, and I'd love to get Mariah's thought on this, is that we have to also acknowledge like some of the wealthiest Black people in every city and state are state employees, have been teachers, have pensions, have worked for various departments of the government. So like there's ways to create a good living having done the corporate path or working for government. So like as we're looking at how to create wealth, like that is a huge opportunity. I don't want to discourage anyone from it. At the same time, we do need to try and think through, okay, how do we create more opportunities for folks to get educated on being able to start? You've got, Black Girls Who Code, you've got Code 2040 and all these different organizations. But I think that part of it is just acknowledging that everyone doesn't have to be a startup founder and that everyone plays a role in the ecosystem.